Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best kid bookshelves that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Jack Eaton Folding Bookshelves. Jack Eaton is a 30-inch bookcase folding bookshelf and exists of 9 cubes. The 9 cubes in all out keep your shoes, garments, squishy toys, books or artworks composed. Pleasant for storeroom room, child's room, study room, door similarly as an office. Additionally, TD's produced using high-quality plastic boards with steel wire casing and highlight plastic connectors for included solidness and waterproof capacity. The capacity unit is basic and simple to assemble with interlocking connectors. In the event that you take time, you will have an exceptionally durable working stockpiling rack. Moreover, measured shape with basic structure permits you to make stockpiling storage room in an assortment of shapes to fit in your own taste, as fascinating as building a little house. Moving on at number 4, we have Amazon Basics Kids Toy Storage Organizer. Keep your little one's toys composed and off the beaten path when not being used with the Amazon Basics Kids Toy Storage Organizer. Both recess and cleanup can be fun, with this determination of vivid containers in an assortment of sizes. The spot in your youngster's room or play zone and urge them to keep their most loved toys reserved mindfully, while simultaneously remaining effectively open. This stockpiling unit includes a characteristic wood look with containers in essential hues: red, yellow, green, and blue. Including a strong composite wood outline strengthened with steel dowels, the Amazon Basics Toy Coordinator is a trustworthy and safe stockpiling arrangement. Highlighting a 25 lb weight limit, this rack and receptacle unit can be moored to the divider to forestall tipping. At number 3, we have Solder 415541 Beginnings Bookcase. Hoping to sort out and contain the messiness in your home? Well, we have exactly what you need with this 3-rack shelf from the Beginnings assortment. This gorgeous shelf highlights 3 open retires that furnish you with the ideal measure of space for you to store and show a wide range of things, going from capacity receptacles and heaps of books to ornamental plants and your variety of knickknacks. You can discover a spot for every one of your things. 2 of its racks are customizable, enabling you to move them to various statures to make adaptable capacity choices for things of every kind imaginable. It suits every one of your needs. Its smooth plan and basic style make it an extraordinary fit for any room in your home, in the parlor, down the foyer, in your office, or even in the room. It looks great regardless of where it stands. Completed in soft white, this shelf is the answer for your capacity misfortunes. At number 2, we have Humble Crew Tot. The space-sparing Tot Tutors Kids Book Rack Storage Bookshelf with book stockpiling sling pockets shows book covers forward for simple acknowledgement by little youngsters. The 5 beautiful, profound, sleeves hold books of practically any size for simple book seeing and helpful stockpiling. Tot Tutors offers a full line of kids' furnishings, authoritative fundamentals, and capacity arrangements. We have different room assortments that fit the style of any home. Our youngsters' table and seats, toy stockpiling coordinators, toy boxes, shelves, beds, and upholstered seats mix with the entirety of your home's furnishings. Regardless of whether it's the lounge room, den, or your kids' room, Tot Tutors has the perfect item to enable your family to develop. And finally at number 1, Utex Kids Book Caddy. Show your beloved darlings to clean up with this exemplary caddy, which is ideal for their room or play region. Its calculated casing is created from MDF and highlights a slatted structure completed in an unbiased strong tone. Utilize the top to hide books, at that point take to the lower rack for little toys. The children cabinet built of solid and durable wood. The exquisite completion looks incredible with a variety of stylistic layout styles, as a decent children book stockpiling and association furniture. This kids' book rack is an incredible helpful extra room for your little ones to sort out for books, toys, and then some, or essentially arranging rooms so everything is set up. The common shading plan is ideal for rooms, dens, family rooms, or even study halls. Lightweight can without much of a stretch be transported from space to room. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.